Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up proof of home improvement for insurance discounts with Home Depot, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing the home improvement projects you have completed. Make a list of all significant improvements, including dates and details. Document each project with photographs. Ensure your photos capture before, during, and after the improvements. Organize your images by project type for easy reference. Gather receipts and invoices for all materials and services used. Keep records of any warranties or guarantees associated with your improvements. Create digital copies of all documentation for backup purposes. Store all documents in a dedicated folder on your computer or a cloud storage service. Consider using a dedicated app or software for home inventory management. Review your homeowner's insurance policy to understand what documents are needed for discounts. Contact your insurance agent to inquire about specific requirements for proof of improvements. Compile all information and ensure it is up to date. Prepare a summary of each project, linking photos and documents to enhance clarity. When ready, provide your insurance company with the organized documentation. Follow up to confirm the receipt and acceptance of your proof. Document any communication with your insurance agent for future reference. Finally, keep your records updated as you undertake new home improvement projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.